Welcome back to Daytime Live. We have some guests here. They're hiding in the bins and snickering. So once again, if you want to be a part of our studio audience, just get ready, get here by 12:15. It's absolutely free, and you can enjoy time with the host on Daytime Live. Now, we are playing a new game. It's called the 5-second rule. Not food drop. If you take it up and eat it in 5 seconds, it's still good. Not that one. In front of us, we have some prompts. Some pieces of paper. Sanique has some over there. I have some in this bowl. Now, to begin, somebody will pick one of the prompts, the piece of paper, and read aloud for the other person to hear. Once the prompt is read, the other person has 5 seconds to list 3 answers to the prompt. So like if I say Jamaican fruit. Jamaican fruit.
Oh, I'm supposed to go right now?
That's
mango. Mango.
So speed up your brain. Now, if they're able to list 3 answers in 5 seconds, then they'll receive a point. And of course, the player with the most points at the end of the game.
Changed it to 3. All right, ready? Okay, things you could do to impress someone at a party.
Dance, sing, mix them a drink.
Okay, mix them a drink at a party?
Yeah, that's like a bartender going to...
Okay, ready?
Oh, man, that one.
What?
Marie, that one, it's a go rough for you.
No, I don't want to
read
rough.
This one. Okay. Things people say when the clothes don't look good, but they want to be nice.
Oh, you look so nice. Oh, that's the best you could do. Oh, nice outfit.
I don't like Sadiq and I friend them. Go on.
My concern, because you know my brain work, me just say.
Just head.
Yeah, but don't button. All right, places you wouldn't want to walk through alone at night.
Cemetery. On dark house. On police station.
Oh God.
Yeah, then I write as it go off. Somebody don't look up.
Hurry up. I agree with that.
No, fast.
5.
Famous TV shows.
Oh my, Seinfeld, Friends, and 2.5 Men.
All right.
But oh, my turn. Oh, sorry. I was waiting for an applause. When I do well at games, Excuses for being late.
Traffic. Diarrhea. Traffic.
I'm say traffic 2 times. Traffic, diarrhea, enough time.
What do you mean?
You are going to tell somebody that you had diarrhea and that's why you're late?
Then if it happened, then what will happen? You think I joke when I playtime something that is not something to play with me.
So
I tell you that.
You are late a lot for Daytime Live. Which is it?
Traffic. All the doctors have vanished. What professionals do you choose to perform your surgery?
Lord of mercy.
Vet, one.
Nurse, and my mother.
You don't get, 2 of those you won't be getting, right? So nurse and your mother. Come on. With the 2 on, ready up.
Ready. All right. Activities done before bed. I'm so happy I didn't
brush your teeth, wash your face, wash your foot.
Okay, wash your foot. So you know beard? You don't.
No, it's 3 off.
No, but
it's 3
knowing
off.
you and your diarrhea problem, you should have said beard.
No, but you have diarrhea before you go to bed. Before you go on the road. When we come up to bed that time.
Other things need to wash for you. Come.
The wipes. 90s dancehall artist.
Oh easy. My goodness! Frisco Kid, Beanie Man, Bounty Killer. Lady Star.
Go on. Oh, no, that one is so easy.
Okay, places in your house where you'd hide valuables, be honest.
Under the couch, in the safe, in a bedroom.
Wanna listen in the bedroom, just in the bedroom, so that should qualify.
Yeah. Of course.
We're in the bedroom.
Yeah?
You should have said under the bed.
If I tell you.
Not me, I tell everybody.
No, I'm saying in the bed.
Ready?
Yeah, Tim.
Daniel, I like this. Cheese and peas,
Sanique,
Lord.
Sanique, hold on to the Savior. Types of juice.
Carrot juice, beetroot juice, coconut juice.
I'm going to tell you, people watch daytime live, it's a good thing them ask see. Because if I'm me lose the work. I tell you that. If I'm me lose the work. I should not get it here.
Me get it.
You got two right.
Me get it.
Coconut juice.
Coconut juice.
When coconut
when you squeeze
milk.
When you
it's coconut milk or coconut juice.
Me get it.
Move from us about coconut. It's coconut water
when you
coconut
grate
milk.
it.
It's coconut milk. Coconut.
It's still juicy.
Excuse me, read my own, read that one. Tell me about coconut juice. What up? What gonna mean?
Animals you wouldn't want to see in a kitchen.
An elephant, a lion, a baboon.
You're the only baboon in the kitchen, not true? Come. Two baboons can't be in the kitchen together.
That's why me I can't one time.
Come.
Things you wouldn't want to hear from your partner.
I wouldn't want to hear?
From your partner.
I want to spend more time with you, beg you some money, and drive my car.
What do you mean you wouldn't want to hear spend time with you?
More time. My turn. Quick. Places in your... Oh, me read that already, sorry. Next. Come. We can't just make up one. Ooh, types of fruit. You go get this easy.
Types of fruit? Mango, orange, banana.
Next, quick, no man. Quick, no.
No, look at time, all right.
Quick.
Unusual professions.
Oh, snap. Skip. Give me the next one. Skip.
All right. Things that are yellow.
Oh my, mango, banana, and clothes. Yeah, man, a yellow dress. Yes. Famous actors.
Brad Pitt, Denzel Washington, Angelina Jolie.
Okay. Quick, last one. Quick.
You have time. Different ways to say hello.
Hi, konnichiwa. Nice to see you. Hola.
Who win?
I won by a point. Yay! All you need is an inch. Thank you so much. Go ahead, Dufton. Go ahead, read up. Come on, Dufton, come on.
Daytime Live, the most dishonest show on daytime TV. We'll be right back with a brand new show from Yemi Ali.
Brand new video. It's a music video, Dufton. You see a look, you
video
can't read anymore.
From Yemi Ali.
He can't read.